Well, this past weekend, we were actually privileged to be present at the ribbon cutting ceremony for the Walk of Honor at the OSU College of Veterinary Medicine 50th anniversary. And the reason we were there is there are two new plants that you might be interested in. Well, we're very excited to be with Dr. Jack Roberson of American Daylily and Perennials of Green Valley, Missouri today. And Jack, thanks you for being with us today.
Thank you, Brenda. I'm very glad to be here. There's been a lot of years of my life that I've spent, seems like all of it, in enjoying plantings of all kinds of flowers. We've bred and hybridized daylilies and, of course, this little ultra-compact lantana called Patriot Cowboy. We are at the dedication of the Walk of Honor at the veterinary school today, and pleased to be able to donate this plant material that have been specially named for the veterinary college and for the great state of Oklahoma. Both being orange, since I'm an OSU graduate of 1966. We'll have this planting at the veterinary school. We hope that in the year 2000 they will be in commercial trade and be available to all the residents of Oklahoma who are Oklahoma State supporters or otherwise enjoy the plant material. Hopefully they'll be at your all's botanical garden display in Stillwater this next year. This little lantana is ultra compact, which makes it unique. Most lantanas are kind of large woody plant material that gets kind of all over the sidewalk if you plant it too close. But this plant is a 2-year plant, and it at best will be about a 1-foot mound in all directions. The daylily, which is called Aggie orange, you have to go back before 1958 to be an Aggie in Oklahoma, but it has been selected. It's similar in color to Stella d'Oro, which most people know if you're a gardener. That's a continuous blooming or near continuous blooming, a little short miniature daylily. This Aggie orange daylily is that color, only a little more orange, not quite as gold as Stella d'Oro. And it's a big bloom, 5-inch bloom, and it blooms almost all the time. It starts a little later in the season than Stella d'Oro, but then it continues to bloom or to repeat bloom until frost. In our gardens in Kansas City now, October 25th, it's in bloom, unless it frosted while we were gone. So it's a great pleasure for me to be part of a conference with the horticultural people in the state this last few days, and to have some of our plant material on display.
Well, Dr. Roberson, we really appreciate you taking time out of this 50th anniversary celebration to share your plants with us.
You're very welcome, Brenda.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.